definition 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into front mode view. Alright. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to type your name in there. And here's our first problem. We're going to solve the problem using the appropriate standard algorithm. So go ahead and give that a go. Okay, we have 372,802 plus 62,092. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 plus 2, which gives me 4. 0 plus 9, which gives me 9. 8 plus 0, which gives me 8. 2 plus 2, which gives me 4. And 7 plus 6, which gives me 13. Put my 3 here, carry my 1, or you can put it down there. Down here, like Zearn says, 1 plus 3 gives me 4. And I get 434,894 as my answer. Look at the next problem. You're going to solve this problem as well using the appropriate standard algorithm. Go ahead and get that again. So I have 672,082 plus 987,901. 2 plus 1 gives me 3. 8 plus 0 gives me 8. 0 plus 9 gives me 9. 2 plus 7 gives me 9. 7 plus 8 gives me 15. Drop my 5. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 plus 9 gives me 16. And I have 1,659,983. Alright, here is our next one. You're going to again solve the problem using the appropriate algorithm. We have 72,623, take away 6,814. Go ahead and give that a go. Alright, I have 72,623, take away 6,814. 3 take away 4, not going to happen. I can't give you 4 cookies if I only have 3. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to borrow or rebundle, unbundle, like Zearn likes to say. That's going to turn into a 1. This turns into a 13. 13 take away 4 is going to give me 9. 1 take away 1 is 0. 6 take away 8, not happening. Coming over here and unbundling. 16 take away 8 gives me 8. 1 take away 6. Yep, that's not happening. That's going to turn into a 6. That turns into a 1. 11 take away 6 gives me 5. 6 take away nothing gives me 6. And I end up with 65,809. Alright, this next problem. 803,921 take away 679,271. So I have 803,921 take away 679,271. 1 take away 1 gives me 0. 2 take away 7, that's not going to happen. So I'm going to turn this 9 into an 8, this 2 into a 12. 12 take away 7 is going to give me 5. 8 take away 2 gives me 6. 3 take away 9, nope, not happening. Oh, but I've got a 0 here. I can't get anything from that. So I'm going to have to come over here to this 8. That 8 is going to turn into a 7. This 0 is going to turn into a 10. That 10 is going to turn into a 9 because it needs to share with this one. 13 take away 9 is going to give me 4. 9 take away 7 gives me 2. 7 take away 6 gives me 1. And I have 124,650. Alright, here's our next one. So we're going to be using this word problem quite a bit while we solve the next couple problems. So this word problem is all the rest of the work that you're going to do. So the jelly bean factory has 291,832 blueberry jelly beans. There are 329,432 more strawberry jelly beans than blueberry. There are 273,093 less lemon jelly beans than blueberry ones. So what is the total number of jelly beans in all three flavors? You're going to draw a type diagram to model, and you're going to then solve the problem. So go ahead and try that one on your own. All right, so there's a couple of key things you need to look at. So we know 291,832 blueberry jelly beans. Okay? So we can say that for sure. Blueberry. We've got 291,832 of those. Okay? There are 329,000 more. Okay, keyword here, more strawberry jelly beans than blueberry. Okay, strawberry. What about jelly beans there? So we know that there is, so this chunk here is going to be that 329,434. Okay? So we've got that 291, because what they're saying is we have this much more. Okay? We have 329,432 more strawberry than the total of the blueberry. Okay, then we have 273,993 less lemon. So less than the blueberry. Okay, so we've got our blueberry, and then we have our lemon. Okay, so how we're going to draw this is we're going to have that. And we're going to go ahead and actually going to be smaller than that. And this would be 273,093. Oh goodness. 93 less. Okay, so now we need to figure out all three flavors. How many we have in all? Okay, so we know we have that 291,832 of the blueberry. Now, to figure out how many strawberry we have, we need to figure out what 291,832 plus 329,432 is, because that would be the total for the strawberry. Okay, so 2 plus 2 gives me 4, 3 plus 3 gives me 6, 8 plus 4 gives me 12, 1 plus 1 plus 9 gives me 11, and 1 plus 9 plus 2 gives me 12, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives me 621,264. So I know that my strawberry is in total 621,264 in total for my strawberry. Now I need to figure out my lemon. So I have 273,093 less lemon jelly beans than blueberry. Okay, so I've got 291,093. I'm sorry, that's incorrect. 291,832, and I'm going to subtract 273,093 from that. That is a 3. Okay, 2 take away 3, that's not happening. That 3 is going to turn into a 2. This 12, 2 is going to turn into a 12. 12 take away 3 is going to give me 9. 2 take away 9, that's not happening. That 8 is turning into a 7. That 12 is turning into a 9. 9 take away 3, or 12 take away 9 is 3. 7 take away 0 is 7. 1 take away 3, not happening. 9 take away, that's going to have to turn into an 8. 11 take away 3 gives me 8. 8 take away 7 gives me 1. 2 take away 2 gives me nothing. So that means I've got 18,739 lemons. Alright, now that I've got that all figured out, so I figured out my blueberry. They told me how many blueberry I had. Strawberry, they said blueberry plus 329,432 more. To get lemon, they said take your blueberry, take away 273,093, and then you've got how many lemon we've got. Okay? So, now we need to add all those together so that we know how many we have in all. Alright, I'm going to put this down here. So I've got 291,832. That is a 3. Sorry about that. 621,264. That is a 6. I apologize. And 18,739. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. Plus 9 is going to give me 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 3 gives me 4. Plus 6 gives me 10. Plus 3 more gives me 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7. Wow. Okay, 8 plus 2 gives me 10. Plus that 8 gives me 18. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 8 gives me 11. 1 plus 9 gives me 10. Plus that 2 plus 1 gives me 13. 1 plus 2 plus 6 gives me 9. So I have 931,835 total. I'm going to write that neater over here for you. 931,835 total jelly beans. Okay? Alright, let's go ahead and look at the next one. So we've got that same information as before. So now we're going to round to the nearest 100,000 to check the reasonableness for the answer of my lemon jelly beans. Alright, so what I'm going to need to do to find that is, well, you go ahead and solve that first. Okay, so to get my lemon jelly beans, here's what I did. I took the amount of blueberry that I had and I subtracted 273,093. So I've got 291,832 and I have 273,093, which when I subtracted those, I found out that I got 18,739. I'm just going to write that there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to round these to the nearest 10,000. So this place value, so 291,832 is going to round to 290,000. 273,093 is going to round to 270,000. When I subtract, I'm going to get 20,000. So my question is 18,000 a reasonable answer when 20,000 is the estimate I got? And I'm going to say yes, because this 18,000, if I rounded that to the nearest 10,000, that would round up to 20,000. And 20,000 is really close to 18,739. So yes, my answer is reasonable. All right. So now I'm going to record each jelly bean flavor's amount in numbers. So standard form, words, and an expanded form. So I'm going to go back and look at my previous work so I can see my numbers. I do know that I have 291,832 of the blueberry. The strawberry, I found out that I had 621,264. And for the lemon, I got 18,730. Alright, so now I'm going to put these in word form and expanded form. So, word form, 200. I apologize about that. Oh, goodness. 91,832. I am sorry, that's not very pretty, but it is written how you say it. 291,832. Now to put that in expanded form, I'd have 200,000 plus 90,000 plus 1,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 2. Okay? Now on to the strawberry. In word form, we'd write it exactly how it said. 621,204. So 621,264. Forgot my 60. And in expanded form, 600,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4. And then finally the lemon. 18,739 and 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 30 plus 9. Okay? Alright, so we're going to compare the amount of strawberry and lemon jelly beans using those symbols. So let's go back and look at that. So strawberry was 621,264, and the lemon is 18,739. Well, clearly when we look at place value, the strawberry is much larger than the lemon. All right, last question. So there is a new flavor of jelly bean, watermelon, that there are 62,432 of. The jelly bean factory is saying that there are about 10 times as many strawberry jelly beans than watermelon ones. Is this a correct statement? Explain your thinking. Go ahead and try that one on your own. Okie dokie. So they're saying we have watermelon. And we've got 62,432 of those. And we know that of strawberry, we have 621,000 264 of those. So we want to know if it is true that there's actually 10 times as many strawberries as watermelon. So I'm going to go ahead and round these and make my life easy. That would round to 62,000, and that would round to 620,000. Well, what I remember from part 1 of our mission is that when we multiply times 10, essentially, we're just adding another 0. We're going up one place value in everything. So this 6 in the 10,000s place would go to the 100,000s place, and that 2 in the thousands place would go to the 10,000s place. And that's exactly what's happened there from when you go from watermelon to strawberry. So yes, it is a correct statement for the jelly bean factory to say that there are 10 times as many strawberry jelly beans as watermelon jelly beans. And it's okay that we rounded because they're saying right here about 10 times as many. Okay?